Hello, people. Alright, so, is this recording? Alright. I'm using my iPad because my phone is dead, so the microphone might be a little chintzy. Maybe I have to get really close like this, I don't know. So, Able Sisters is open today, and I haven't gone in there yet, but I'm gonna go in there now. Also, CJ is here, and I don't have enough fish for him, but he wants like 3 of the same fish. I don't know what his deal is. We'll figure it out eventually. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful! Oh my gosh. It's so reminiscent of what it used to look like. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Alright, here we go, here we go! All right. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. First of all, we have to say hi to Sable. Wow, instead of someone from any town, it's someone from any isle. Oh. Yes! Oh my gosh. Alright, cool. Sorry, I'm just moving her aside so I can get a better look at these. Yes. Wow. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ooh, I like those. Oh wait, no. Oh, I just purchased the shirt that I didn't want. I didn't want to do that. That's okay. So purchasing is not purchasing that one item. The chef's hat, gotta have that. Alright, now to make sure this is just the hat. Yes, bone apple teeth. Oh, is that what she did with the other stuff? That's weird. Alright. Yes. Ooh. No. There we go. Yeah. Sure. I guess I'll... Oh, I did it for me. I guess we're gonna post it on Twitter. Well, I don't know anyone's ID, so... That's cool. That is really cool. I think... Ooh, I like that a lot. Alright, well, that's it for that. Let's head out. Alright, I do want to change up my look, so I'm gonna go hit the wardrobe. Boom. Oops, what am I doing? I also have a peach I need to plant. I can't believe I accidentally bought that. Yes, I love it. I like how they pose like a model. It's adorable. Alright, and I also need to put, ta-da! Did the hat go in storage too? Oh, I guess it did. Alright, let's head out. We're looking fresh. You like the fit? Nope. Okay. fossil time. Let's go stop and say hi to Bud with his new fit. I gotta stop saying that. It's getting irritating. Like, it's irritating me. Oh, that's weird. On the title screen, he was all dressed up. Well, let me tell you, it's definitely not that. I have the brain the size of a grape. And that's a no, too. I actually am good at swimming, so... Well, I consider myself good at swimming. In the grand scheme of things, I don't think I'm good at swimming. I like swimming, though. Cool. Alright, well, I'm gonna wrap it up for this video, because that was just like Able Sisters and shenanigans. So, yeet.